Hello students, so this is Aisvarya from Questioncloud. We are going to see evolution. So next we are going to see brief account of evolution. So about 2000 million years ago, the first cellular forms has been created. So this mechanism of how non-cellular forms has been evolved into a cellular form is still unknown. So some of these cells has the ability to release oxygen. So what happens then? So the reaction could have been similar in the light reaction that taking place in our photosynthesis process, where water will get split up and help for the solar energy captured and channelized by appropriate light harvesting units. If you see, then from now a slowly single-celled organism with multicellular organism has been formed. So 500 million years ago, your invertebrates has been started to create. 350 million years ago, your jawless fish started to form, and 320 million years ago, your seaweeds and few plants started to form. The first organism that invaded land were your plants. So what happens then? They were widespread on the land when animals invaded your land. So when your animals invaded land, they were widespread on the land. So fish with stout and the strong fins could move onto the land and go back. They said they were the first amphibians to grow both on the land and the water body, and this were occurred 350 million years ago. So these are the different periodic classifications. This is your Paleozoic, Mesozoic and Cenozoic. For your Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous, Permian, Triassic, Jurassic, Cretaceous and Quaternary tertiary stages has been formed, and in each stage what are the structures it has been formed, they have been given. Say this ferns and the cycads has been formed in the Jurassic period of time, and your dicotyledons has been formed in the Cretaceous period of time, and your bryophytes has been formed in your tertiary stage, and also your monocotyledon, and only in the quaternary stage all your angiosperms has been started to grow. So if you see, before 350 million years ago, early started to extinct. So these are your extincting categories, and in the Permian, that is almost 300 million years ago, you can see all the extincting characteristics with the different names. And dinosaurs, they said to be extincted in the tertiary stage of say 50 million years back. And now almost these are the reptiles category and birds category that has been evolved. So the amphibians evolved into the reptiles. So 200 million years back, reptiles of different shapes and size has been dominated on Earth. But now 65 million years ago back, the dinosaurs suddenly started to disappear. Still now they don't know why it is happening. Few says that because of the certain severe climatic change, they couldn't able to survive on the Earth. So next we are going to see how man has been originated and evolved. So about just 50 million years ago, primates called Dryopithecus and Ramapithecus has been evolved. So Ramapithecus was resembling your man-like structures, and they both have hair and walked like your gorillas and chimpanzees. So 3 to 4 million years ago, man-like primates walked in eastern African areas. So they were probably not taller than 4 feet but walked upright, and they are not your meat eaters. So 2 million years ago, Australopithecines probably lived in East African grasslands. So evidence shows that they hunted with stone weapons but essentially eat only the fruit. Again, they don't eat meat. So this creature was called the first human-like being, the hominid, and was called as your Homo habilis, and their brain capacity was about 650 to 800 cc. So these are the structures of the bone and the chimpanzees and the gorilla, and how their skull on the facial bones has been similar. So 1.5 million years ago, your Homo erectus has been evolved with a large brain that is about 900 cc, and almost nearly 1 lakh to 40,000 years back only your Neanderthal man has been evolved with a brain capacity of 1400 cc, and they started to live in Near East and Central Asia. So 75,000 to 10,000 years back, Ice Age has been formed from modern Homo sapiens has been arose. So just we are living for about only few thousand years back. So 80,000 years back ago, your prehistoric curve art has been developed, and one such cave painting was your prehistoric humans that is present in your Madhya Pradesh. and agriculture came just 10,000 years back, and human settlement started. So the rest of what happened is a part of human history where your growth and decline of civilization and modernization period, technological period has been evolved. So hope you're clear with the topic what we have discussed today. So stay tuned, connect with us for more videos. Thank you.